Please go ahead.
Thank you, Anu. I'm sharing my screen. So yesterday we started automation testing. Selenium. So only few people joined, and remaining people not joined yesterday's session. So please let me know. You people are gone through the video, yesterday's video, and practiced, or do you want me to explain the things again? Because this is the base, right? So if you know this thing, then you can do automation further easily. Please respond. Pujita not joined yesterday.
Yes, I dropped in between. So I did not find time to watch the video. I can watch the video if I'm the only one who did not attend. If there is someone, you can just repeat again.
Yeah. So please go through the video. Pujita, if you have any queries, right, please reach Satya. Yeah. So yesterday, Padma also not joined. Padma, did you get a chance to go through the video? Yesterday's session, I mean.
Actually, I did the Session6. I shared the screen.
Padma, you are the host now.
Yes. Actually, added to the drivers in the folder in project folder. So actually, you told that in the video you did not add it to the driver section.
Yeah, actually, that is not needed now, Padma. Why? Because in Selenium 3.0 version, we used to add the drivers into our project, and we need to set up a path. So now, from Selenium 4.0 onwards, they developed Selenium WebDriver, WebDriver Manager. With the help of that code, right, we can download drivers automatically, and we can launch
Actually,
our web application.
actually, I added to the form XML file into the Maven repository, added to the dependency. So this lines is a comment. This one also, so it is not execute the code.
So you are good, right, Padma? Like yesterday's
No,
concept.
no. Actually, I know. యాక్చువల్ నాకేమి డౌట్ అంటే డ్రైవర్ని డ్రైవర్ ప్రాజెక్ట్లో ఫోల్డర్ లో ఇన్స్టాల్ చేసిన తర్వాత ఇది ఎగ్జిక్యూట్ అవుతుంది. అంటే లేకపోతే నాది ఆ డ్రైవరీ డిపెండెన్సీ ఫామ్ ఎక్స్ఎం ఫైల్లో కూడా యాడ్ చేసినా కూడా నాకు వర్క్ అవ్వట్లేదు. ఎందుకంటే జావా డిపెండెన్సీ వర్షన్ అది అప్డేట్ అవ్వలేదు. సో దట్స్ వై
ఇప్పుడు వర్క్ అయింది కదండి ఇక్కడ. ఇప్పుడు
ఇక్కడ
ఎగ్జిక్యూట్ అయింది కదా.
వర్క్ అయింది, కానీ డ్రైవర్ ని పాత్ని ఇక్కడ తీసుకొచ్చి పెట్టాను. అంటే మీరు చెప్పిన దాంట్లో లేదు కదా.
ఇక్కడ ఏం లేదుగా, మీరు వాడింది వెబ్ డ్రైవర్ మేనేజరే కదా.
లేదు,
20
ఇక్కడ
సెకండ్ లైన్ చూడండి.
డ్రైవర్ 1
20 సెకండ్ లైన్ చూడండి. అండ్ పాత్ ఎక్కడ పెట్టారు? నాకైతే ఎక్కడ
ఒక్క
కనిపించట్లేదు
నిమిషం.
డ్రైవర్ పాత్.
వేరే టెస్ట్ కేసులో రాసి, సారీ.
పద్మ,
Yes, I had
hello
done.
Padma.
I had done.
So you don't have any queries, right, Padma? You are good, right?
Yes.
Yeah, fine then. So we'll continue today's session. Sharing my screen. Yeah, Satya, can you explain this code once?
Yeah.
From
So here,
17th line onwards, yeah.
yeah, so here we're trying to launch the Session6 Academy through this code. First, we install the required drivers, and then we set up them, and then we create a new object of that particular driver, and then we give the link of the website through driver.get, and then maximize is used to launch it on the full screen mode, and thread.sleep waits for the execution. I mean, it delays the execution by 5 seconds, and close is used to close the process.
Yes, close the web application or that particular window. So good, Satya. So today we'll discuss locators in Selenium. So what locators will do, right? Yesterday only I said like it will communicate. It will so it will communicate the or it will behave mediator between our script and web application function. Okay, so function means, for example, if I open Strasis Academy, application function through R script. So functions means it may be text field, or it may be click function, it may be drop down, or it may be if we click any of the link, then there is a chance to open that particular link in new tab, right? That is also one function. Like that, may we have like plenty of functions which are available in web browser. Okay, so these all are functions only. See, if I mouse over, see something is coming beside this, right? It is one function. So yeah, so if you enter something here and if you click send message, so we'll get see here some pop-up came. So this is one more function. So how to deal with these functions? With the help of Selenium locators we can. So Selenium locators will help us to communicate our script with this particular web application functions. So we have total 8 locators in Selenium. First one is ID, second one is name, third one is class name, fourth one is tag name, partial link text, CSS selector, XPath. So these are the 8 locators we have. So these locators will help us to communicate whatever script we have written in our ID, right? So we can communicate our script with web application functions. Now I'll tell you how to communicate. So for example, yesterday we launched this particular web application. Now I want to click this browse course. Okay. So for that, what you need to do, you need to come on this particular function and right click and click on inspect. Okay, inspect. So you can see this code, backend code. Okay, if you see here, this particular thing is highlighting, means this particular function is, this particular function related things present in this here. So we need to check here any of the locators present in this particular script. So you need to find. So if you see here, class is there. Okay, so we can use this class. Double click on this, come to your script, type driver dot find element by dot, it's class name I told, right? Class name, then inside this class name enter the value. And this is click functionality, right? We need to click. So this particular browse course is like they made like to click. So what we need to do here, we need to perform click option. Now after clicking, we will wait some time. For that, I am adding this thread dot sleep. Now I'll execute this program. It's opening and it's launching our web application. Now it will try to maximize the screen. Maximized. Now it should wait 5 minutes and it should click browse course. It's not clicking. So it's not clicking. We'll see what was the error. some issue with this class name. We'll check once again. Right click this course, inspect. Here 3 dots is there, right? You click on this and click on this third one so that you will get this down. Click here, this arrow, and mouse over on this particular function so that this particular related backend code will highlight. Now check why we are getting issue. So 300 I copied properly. Here also we have class name. We'll try this.
Actually, Parsuram, can you click on the login page?
This one. This one you are asking?
Yes, yes. Contact.
Yeah. Yeah. What is your doubt here?
So
You want me?
directly go to the any links. Directly go to the this one also. Click on this one and login page will come down. You will write that one.
Okay, fine. Yeah, I'll click. So right click on this particular icon and inspect. So you want backend code for this? Yeah. So here check like we have total 8 locators, right? Check any of the locator is present in this. Again, we have like here class only. Copy this and go to editor. Paste it here. Run. Okay. It's not clicking this also. Why? Compound class. Load exception.
I wrote the code. This one also you will try the and I will. Personally, I can try. Already, I try this code for some XPath. I use it to this one XPath. I sent to the chart.
Actually, Padma, I am trying to explain these locators, Padma.
It's
So
actually use it to the XPath. Okay, okay. Sorry.
yeah, so initially I'll explain the locators. Later we'll move to XPath. Yeah, I know with XPath it will come, but we have other locators also, right? 8. So that's the reason I am trying.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah, see, it's clicking, right? So we have total 8 locators in Selenium that I already explained, and we need to communicate uh, these locators to communicate with web functions. These locators will help. So what I did just driver dot find element by dot class name. So here I have used class name locator. Inside this, we need to enter the value of the class. Here, if you see, so if you want again, I mean, how to get this particular value, just click on this arrow mark and click on that particular function which you want to automate. Okay. So this is the one, and see it's highlighting, right? So this here, if you see, out of 8, we have total 8, right? In that, any of the locator is present in this particular script, you need to check. If you see here, class name presented and name also there. So you can use anything here. You can use class name or you can use name also. So both will work. We need to click here and we need to enter some text. Later, we need to click the search application. Okay. Now we will try to write that code. So, so here I have used class name and I click. Now what I will do, I will wait some 5 seconds. Now I need to enter some value in that particular text. Why? Because that is text field function, right? This time I'll use name. Why? Because we already seen their name is there. Okay, in same field only. Initially I want to click in this field. Now I want to enter some text in this field. So do I need to inspect again? Please respond. Do I need to
No.
inspect? No, right? Why? Because same function only. But this previously I clicked. Now I want to enter some text here. That's it. So this time I'm using name. So here, if you see null means like it's string, by default string, you need to give the in double quotes, whatever your value you want to enter, right? That you need to give in double quotes. And this time you need to enter the value. For that, we have function in Selenium called send keys. Okay. Use send keys, and here what value you want to enter, that you can enter here. Okay. Now wait some time. Wait some time. Now after waiting some time, we need to click the search application. And why I am waiting some time? Anyone wants to say Why I am waiting some time here? If we do not wait, the script do not work or what?
Just to see whether it's getting entered or something like that.
Yes, just we want to see the execution flow. That's the reason I'm adding this particular code, line of code. Okay, yeah. So now I want to click, after entering the value, I want to click here. So now we need to inspect this particular field. Now if you see, this field and this field is different, right? This is search function now. So it's a click function. Inspect this. This particular field is highlighting, and if you want like this also, you can do. Still this particular field is highlighting, and check like out of 8 locators, any of the locator is present here or not. So again we have class name. Okay, copy this class, same code, driver dot find element by dot class name. Now that function related to click, right? Now we need to click and wait some time to see the execution flow. Now I'll execute this. It launched, it maximized, it clicked that particular field. Again it will wait 5 seconds. Now it will enter cars. Now it will click search after 5 seconds. Yeah, it clicked. So you can see no post matching the query, cars show all posts. So till here everyone clear? Now it closed the browser also, and you can see your test case got passed. Till here everyone clear? Or anyone have any questions?
No, Parshram.
Yeah. So till now, how many locators we have used? We have used class name, name. Yeah. Now again we'll go to website. Now what we will do? We'll automate this radio button now. Okay. We'll automate this. Just we need to click this radio button. For that, what we need to do? Right click on this particular function. This is now radio button function. Okay. Inspect. Check here. Here we have ID. Okay. And we have name. So out of our 8 locators, we need to check any of the locator present or not. So if you see, we have 2 locators. We can use any of the locator from here. Like you can use ID or name. Name already we have used. Now we will use ID. So I'm copying this radio one. ID. This is like attribute, and this one we can call it as attribute value, and this is attribute. Okay. So I'm copying attribute value. Now this is ID attribute value. I'll go to my script. Driver dot find element by dot ID. This time I'm using ID. Now the radio button is a click function, so I will click. After clicking, I'll wait some time. Now I'll execute this. It entered the car's value. It clicked search. Now it should click mail radio button. Yeah, it clicked. So our script working fine. Yeah. Now it got closed. Browser got closed. So till here we have used class name, name, ID, and we have tag name, partial link text, So we'll use link text now. Now what we will do, yeah, now we will click this particular link, this one, Selenium 143. Okay. So for that, what I will do, I will inspect this Selenium 143, and this is the code for this. So here, if you see here, we have like link. So now we good to use our link text locator. Okay. I'm copying this. Yeah, I'm copying this. Same again, driver dot find element by dot now link text. This is link text. Now what we need to perform, click, right? So we need to click that particular link. So I'm using click function. After clicking that, I will wait some time. Execute. Launched website. Now it will maximize the screen. It will enter some text into the search. Initially it will click the search box. Later it will enter some text into the search box. Entered. Wait 5 seconds and it will click on search button. And later it will click on the mail radio button. Now it should wait 5 seconds. Now then it should click Selenium 143 link. It's not clicking. We'll see. What is the issue? So it's saying like no such element, unable to look element, which locator we need to see. So method link text selector. So this is, it's saying like there is no locator like this. So we'll see. So if you see here, yeah, .com till .com we have, but I have given this extra slash. That's the reason it is throwing like this. We need to give exact value. We need to copy exact value from our DAM. I mean here, and we need to paste it there. Then only it will work. So now I'll execute again. We'll see. Otherwise, it will throw no such element exception. It's not clicking. We'll see what is the issue. Same error, like it's saying no such element, unable to locate element. HTTPS selenium143blogspot.com. dot link text.
You take the text.
What, Padma? You are saying something?
You take the text. No.
Which one?
Link text. Name
This
also
one?
there, na? Yes. No. Actually, name is there.
I think we typed HTTPS in the.
Yes. Yeah. That's the reason I'm checking. We'll see once again. So we need to enter exact value. Yeah. Here also same HTTP, but HTTP and Selenium 143 S capital. So here we need to give S capital. We'll copy this and paste it here. So errors are good only. So by seeing that errors, we can learn more. So yeah, now we'll try this. So with this, what we learn, like we need to enter exact value, then only it will work. I mean
Actually,
exact attribute.
only you'll take the link text and text. Selenium is the text is there now. Directly.
Yeah, we'll do that later. After this, we'll do that, Padma. Is it clicked? Yeah, see, it is clicking now. So what mistake we have done? We entered wrong attribute value. That's the reason our script got failed. So with this, what we learn, we need to enter exact value. Then only we can achieve our execution. So everyone clear till here?
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah. So till here, how many locators we have used? Class name we used, name we used, ID we used, link text we used. Now, so Padma, you are saying something, some text, right? Can you
Yes.
please say?
Actually, link text and name is there, Selenium. I use it to the text also. Same output.
Text means I didn't get like. Uh, so total we have 8 locators, right, Padma? In this there is no text. See, ID we have, name we have, class name we have, tag name, partial link text, CSS selector, XPath.
యాక్చువల్లీ నేను చెప్పాలని ఏమనుకుంటా లింక్ టెస్ట్ పక్కన టెక్స్ట్ ఉంది కదండి సెలీని 143 ఆ టెక్స్ట్ తీసుకొచ్చి రాయొచ్చు కదా ఎక్స్పాత్ యాంకర్ ట్యాగ్ యూజ్ చేసి
Yeah, XPath is different, Padma. So I'm trying to explain, right? I want to explain these locators first. Later we'll move to XPath. That is big topic. So anyway, we will work on XPaths only, but we need to tell them, right? These are the locators will present. So that's the reason I'm writing script. So that XPath we'll see later. Fine. Padma, are you good?
ఎస్
Yeah. So we have seen this ID, we have seen name, class name we have seen. Now we'll see partial link text. Yeah. So how partial link text will work, right? So now I will click this Selenium tutorial. Yeah. So when we need to take the link text and partial link text, right? When you see this href, right, then only you can choose the locator, either like a partial link text or link text. Link text means you need to take entire URL, whereas partial link text you need to take half of the URL. Half of the URL, it will work. Still it will work. Okay. Now I'll take partial link text from this. Now I'll try to click this Selenium tutorial. So same code only. I'm copying. But now I'll use partial link text. So no need to enter entire thing. Why? Because here we have used link text. That's the reason we need to enter exact value. Okay. But now we are using partial link text. Here also we need to enter exact, but you can enter partial link. I mean, no need to enter entire link. So like this also will work. We'll see now. See, it's clicking. With the partial link text also it's clicking, and it's closing the current window. Sorry, not that window, parent main window. So it's these are child windows actually. These child windows are not closing. Why? Because we are not handling. So only it closed the parent window. But now my requirement, I need to close all the windows which opened in the web browser. Okay. So you got here what happened. So it clicked two links, but as per our code, it closed this particular web application. If you see, this is Selenium 143blogspot.com, and if you see this, this is just omayoblogspot.com. So this particular web application got closed, but this two child, right? These two child links are not closed. Why? Why? Because here we have used driver.close. So what driver.close will do, right? It will close the window that is opened. I mean, the main website will close. I mean, the main parent website. Okay, but we clicked some links in this parent website. That links, if you open, if that particular links will open in new tabs, right? That we will call it as child windows. So how to close that child windows? We have script in Selenium, that is driver.quit. Okay, now I'll run this. It clicked that Selenium 143 and Selenium session also it clicked. See, closed all windows, right? Please respond. Closed all windows, right?
Yes,
Yes.
person.
Yes.
So now you got what is the difference between driver dot close and what is mean by driver dot quit?
Yes.
What's
So
driver dot
it will close the main one and also the child ones, or only the child ones?
driver dot quit will close the main one at the same time child ones also it will close.
Okay.
But whereas driver dot close only
Only the main
close
one.
main one. So this is the difference between driver dot close and driver dot quit. If anyone will ask, you need to answer. Actually, this is very famous question in interviews. Yeah. So yeah. So remaining like here, if you see, we have used ID, name, class name, partial link text we have used. So nowadays we are not using this CSS selector in Selenium. Why? Because I will explain later. So now we'll move to XPath. You people try this tag name from your end as a assignment. Okay. So now I'll explain XPath. So what is meant by XPath means, again we have same thing, like it's a Selenium locator. So it will help us to communicate our script with web application functions. Okay, we have two types of XPath. One is relative XPath, another one is absolute XPath. Before this, everyone is like understanding, right? Pujita, Padma,
Yes. Yes, Parishram.
no confusion, right? Pujita, why? Because you not attended yesterday's session, right? So that's the reason I'm asking. Good,
Yeah,
right?
I'll just see the recording. It's fine. Thank you.
Please see the recording. If you have any queries,
Yes.
please let me know, or please
Sure.
reach someone in the session. Okay,
Yeah.
Padma, or Rashita, or Suraj.
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah. So XPath, we have two types of XPath in Selenium. One is relative XPath, another one is absolute XPath. Absolute XPath is nothing but, so for example, if you use absolute XPath of any of the function right here, so what will happen? It will fetch the fetch the or it will fetch the value from here. Okay, for example, I'll show you. I'll click any of the, yeah, this text area. I'll click and I'll click on inspect. Yeah, I'll click on inspect. So this is the main code for this particular text area. So we need to check, is there any locator present in it or not? So here ID is there. So XPath means, like absolute XPath means, what it will happen initially, I mean like it will take head, later it will take like this, it so single slash, initially head, then slash, after head body, slash, and the next one is here div, slash, next again one more div, slash, now p, slash, like this. So from root, from starting from root, it will write the XPath for this particular field. So if we choose this absolute XPath, right? If tomorrow something happen in between or some new feature added in between, right? So here like some additional script will add, right? If we add some function here, so here there is a chance to add some additional things, right? I mean additional code, right? For example, here one text area field there, and tomorrow a client came and asked to add some more text area field here down here. So what will happen? If we add something with the help of code, obviously that code will reflect here in backend. And if we choose that absolute XPath, like it's writing from starting node, and what will happen in between, some extra fields are adding. Because of that, that particular identifying that particular element is not uh, I can say like, so because of adding that new feature, So there is a chance to stale that particular element. I mean, so we cannot identify. Why? Because some extra thing added in between. So that's the reason we cannot use absolute XPath in our code. So we need to use relative XPath. What is meant by relative XPath means, for example, we need to identify the element, this particular element. So for that, what we will do, simply we'll click this particular arrow and we'll come here. So what it will do, just it will, that relative XPath will help us to write this particular field only. So it do not fetch all the values from root node. Just it will write in this particular, I mean, it will communicate with this particular um, code only. That's the reason if something like something extra feature added to this website in future, okay, why? Because it's not communicating entire DOM, just it's communicating that particular function area only. So no need to change our XPath again and again in our script. That's the reason we need to use relative XPath. Okay. So how to write this relative XPath? We have few syntaxes. Now I'll tell you. I'll tell like basic syntax. So first double slash. In absolute XPath, we will use only single slash. Whereas in relative XPath, we need to use double slash. Okay. Then tag name. What is meant by tag name means here. So starting of this particular, right, this div is one tag and h2 is one tag. And yeah, so if you see all divs only, yeah, this header is one tag. Okay, this HTML tag. So we need to write that particular tag, then open bracket, this bracket you need to open. Okay, now at the rate symbol, here you need to use our locators. So ID, our name, our class name, our link text, partial link text, anything you can use. So mostly we use ID, name, class name. So again, same, like we need to check like any of the locator is present in that particular field. We need to check and we need to give it here. So locator, okay, equal to that locator value. This is the syntax for basic XPath. Everyone clear? Tag name means, so this is the tag name, div or like header, or so this is the tag name. Then locator means, for example, you need to identify XPath for this. Right click, inspect. So for this tag name is what? Anyone wants to say? What is the tag name for this?
Text area.
Yeah, and is there any locator present in this particular script? Out
ID.
of
Name.
ID, yeah.
ID.
So we can take ID now here, and locator value means this TA1.
TA1. Mm.
Yeah.
Tag name, text area.
Yeah, tag name is text area. Yes, copy this tag name. Yeah, so like this you need to write basic XPath. So everyone clear how to write XPath? Single slash also will work,
Yes.
but you need to know this particular XPath is correct or not. For that, what you need to do, come to your website, click on Control F, you will get this particular box here. Copy your XPath, or you can directly write XPath here. So this for this particular element we need to write XPath. So syntax double slash, text area is the tag name. Please respond. Text area, then what we need to write?
ID.
Open
At
bracket,
the rate. Open.
yeah, at the rate,
At the rate.
yeah,
ID.
ID is equals to in single colon. A double quotes also work, but like good practice to use single quotes. TA1
TA1.
close. So if you see here, here you can see 1 of 1. If you see 1 of 1, right, then you good to use this particular XPath. I mean, like this particular XPath is correct. And if you mouse over on this particular field, see this is highlighting, right? So now I will use this. Same code, driver dot find element by dot this time XPath. So what is this? It's a text area function, right? What we need to do initially, we need to click, later we need to enter something. Okay. So I am clicking that and I will wait some time. Now this time I will enter some value in it. For that, what function we need to use? We need to enter some value.
Send keys.
Yeah, correct. Send keys. Enter something. And wait some time. Now execute. It's opening in new tab, right? We cannot see our yeah, it clicked here. Yeah, it entered value also. So it closed. So everyone clear how to use XPath now?
Yes.
So try to work on these particular locators initially. Okay. I mean, you need to remember these locators, right? That's the reason work on this, but we need to use XPath only for our scripting. Okay. Why I'll tell you later. And tomorrow we'll discuss difference between CSS selector and XPath. So today assignment for everyone. Open Strasis Academy. Open Strasis Academy. What you need to do initially, click on this particular function. Okay. First you practice on this particular web application, this Omayo Blogspot, for all these locators. Okay. Later, after completion of this, come to our Strasis Academy. Use all XPaths only. No other locators. Use XPath. First, click on this particular icon. I mean login, and enter the email ID. Enter the password. See, if you see these text boxes only, okay, then click on sign in. Okay. Yeah, click on sign in. So this screen will come. Click on browse course. So this one I already automated. So what you do, like you people do, click on this view course and click on enroll now. So click on this debit or credit card. Enter the details by using send keys. click on this pay button. Okay, so how many members? Total 9 members, including me. Sorry, 8 members, right? Yeah. If we exclude Anu, means like 7 members. So Satya, please you take this one, Satya. Okay, you try to create script for this, and Suraj, you create for this health occupation students of America,
Okay.
and Krishna, you try to create a script for the science fair.
Okay.
Yeah, and Ashrita, you create script for this art, math, and English preparation.
Okay.
And who are else left?
Me person. Pujita.
Yeah, Pujita. Yeah. So you create script for this, Pujita. FBLA essential leadership, right? You create script
FBLA.
for this.
Yeah.
Yeah, FBLA. And Padma, remaining whatever left, right? So apart from this FBLA, you create script for all of this, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Padma?
Yes.
Yeah, so please create script for this, like end to end till payment done, right? Till that you create script and come. This is the assignment you need to do today.
So
Everyone
from
is clear?
first logging in till the
Yeah,
course.
course, yes. Enroll the course and enter all the payment details
No, we
and
should
click
go
on the
until
submit button.
payment as well.
Yeah, you can. But so what will happen, right? You will get some error. I'll show you. So yeah, we'll go to home. So click on this browse course and click on view course. This you can do with the help of click option. Now click on enroll now. Okay, this pop-up will come. Click on debit or credit card. Enter the dummy details, whatever details you want here, and date, and some dummy details, something here, something here, something here. Enter some values and some. Then click on pay. You got right. So when you click on pay, then you like this particular things will come. I mean, you need to enter
Hello,
card number
Parshram.
proper. Yes. Hello.
Yeah, so this part of code, like inbuilt code, we didn't like write it actually. So once can you inspect, then I'm unable to like get that class for card number expires
No,
or
we'll get right.
ID
Inspect. See here we have ID. We have class name also. We have
expires.
name also. We have.
Okay, okay, I will try this.
Yeah.
It's
Try
not
it.
getting now initially. That expires yes,
Yeah.
billing address once. I will try.
Yeah. Please try it. I think. Yeah. Actually, I coded for this. So I have done scripting for 2 courses, but yeah, now you people will do, and this is the assignment for today. So if you have any queries, please note down. Tomorrow we'll discuss in our class. So everyone is clear?
Yeah.
Yes.
So did I moved fast in today's session, or everyone understood whatever I explained?
It is clear, Parashramlo.
Clear, right? Yeah.
Yeah.
Then fine. So that's all
But
for today's session.
just a small request from my side. Since
Yeah.
there is so much of screen sharing and so much of navigation, we cannot remember each and everything if we have any doubts, right? You might have already explained, but we might forget or something. If after the session, quickly, if we have a recording, that would be really great for us to learn quickly. because I don't want us to get blocked in between if we have any doubt or if we forget. So, Padma, is it possible if you could share the screen recording as soon as the class ends for both the sessions,
Actually,
automation and
Anu, I asked for the Anu. So
Mhm.
after that, I will share the video.
Yeah, sure. That will help us while we are learning, right? So, in 1 hour, we cannot, like in 2 hours, we are taking two different courses. So, it gets clumsier when we learn or implement it. So, topics also we cannot list down in the class, right? So, just want to make sure we have the recorded sessions too.
That's done.
Yeah.
Thank you, Ashita. So,
Bye.
Ashita, if you want, you can put it in WhatsApp group also, Ashita, same points, so that
Yeah, sure,
everyone.
Parshramlu. I
Yeah,
will text in the group.
sure.
Is
Yeah,
everyone okay with it? Like, I just want to
yeah.
know if,
Actually, that is good
Yeah,
idea,
yeah,
right?
that's
So,
good.
so that like everyone can see the
yeah,
recording. Yeah,
ongoing, we will be going into much deeper context as well, right? So, now these are header topics, but
basics. Yeah,
we will be diving deep into it. So, recordings will help initially.
correct. So please drop message in group, Ashita, and point Padma and Anu both.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, yeah. Thank you all.
Bye,
Bye.
everyone.